Welcome dear students, class 7th, subject General Science, subject teacher Joshi SK. Lesson number 7, Motion, Force and Work. In this lesson, we will learn about motion, force and work. We have already studied that continuous displacement of an object is motion, and also we have already studied change occurs in the motion or the shape of body when force acts on it. Now let's learn what is mean by distance and displacement. Distance is the length of route actually traversed by moving body irrespective of direction is called distance. Distance is actually a scalar quantity. Displacement is the minimum distance traversed by a moving body in one direction to reach the final point. Displacement is vector quantity because direction is very important in this. Let's understand about distance and displacement with this example. Look at the picture on screen carefully and suppose point A is the Ranjit's house and point D is the Ranjit's school. Alongside figure shows that the distance traversed by Ranjit to reach his school at point D is AD. If we do not think about direction, but Ranjit cannot go to school with this path, he has to travel from point A to point B, then point B to point C, and then point C to point D, which is his school. This actual distance traversed by Ranjit along the direction is the Ranjit's displacement. Unit of measurement of distance and displacement in SI system is meter. Now let's understand the difference between speed and velocity. Speed means the distance traversed by any moving object in unit time. Speed is scalar quantity because when we say the speed of bike is 40 km per second, there is no requirement of direction. Formula of speed is distance traversed upon time required. So the unit of speed becomes meter per second as we calculate distance in meter and time in second. Now let's understand what is mean by velocity. Velocity is the distance traversed by a moving body in specific direction in unit time. For example, IMD means Indian Meteorological Department. When predict the motion of storm, direction is always mentioned and it is very important also. So velocity is the vector quantity. Formula of velocity is equal to displacement upon period of time required for the displacement. Unit of speed and velocity is same, meter per second. Now let's learn types of velocity. There are two types of velocity. First one is the average velocity and second one is the instantaneous velocity. Firstly, let's understand about instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity is the velocity at a particular moment of time. For example, if you are going by bus from Ambajogai to Pune, velocity of your bus at different point is different and that is the instantaneous velocity of your bus. But the average of instantaneous velocity on the route is called average velocity of your vehicle and it is same. About the route, let's learn next part in our next video. Thank you.